Welcome to our foundation channel from class 8th. The chapter number 7 is algebraic expressions. So to improve the basic skills, especially in this chapter. So this is one of the important because many of you are facing an issue with the terms, variables, constant, those type of questions. So all the basic skills I'll explain in this algebraic expressions. So every concept I'll show you few problems and remaining you need to practice from the worksheets. So I'm giving the link in description below. You can get those PDF pages and you can practice for the rest of the problems to improve all the concepts and basic skills, especially in this chapter in here. Let us see one by one. First skill you required in this algebraic expression is naming the polynomial. So what polynomial it is, you must learn, you must know it. So we have based on the number of terms. There's only already previous classes as a grade 7 you learn the terms now. So it's nothing but variable and constant. For example, variables are x, y, so a, b, c, so on. Constant like 2, 3, -1, these are all numbers. If you join variable and constant like this 2, if you join 2x, y means y square, if I write 3y square. So these are all the terms. Terms are separated with plus or minus is an expression. So depending on number of terms, we have the names. If there is only single term, there is only one. -4 is the number, n square is the variable is multiplying. So this is a monomial. You know mono, right? Mono means only single. So monomial is single term. And there is a two terms. 8x square is one term and plus 2. If there is no variable, imagine just x to the power 0, some variable power 0. Even single constant also is one of the term. Only single variable also is one of the term. So terms are separated with plus or minus symbol. 8x square is one term, 2 is another term. Two terms are combined, this expression is binomial. Because two terms. More than 2, that means 3. 3 terms is trinomial. Okay, there is a 3 terms are joined, -4, 6n square, 5n to the power 4 is joined with plus or minus, right? And more than 3 terms we can call it as a polynomial. This is example number 8. So poly means many. So polynomial, right? So these are the naming. I'm giving some worksheets, you can get those and practice first. Once perfect all the names, so in this algebraic expressions is 21 pages PDF. Instead of each and everything, only every concept I'll show a few problems. Remaining you need to practice from the worksheet. Next skill to improve in this algebraic expression is combining the like terms. Like terms means having the same variable, right? X is the variable and x plus x. So 2x it is 2x. -9 plus 8 is -1. Already in integers you learn. Only like terms only we can combine. Now 3p plus 6p. So 9p plus 5. Remember, -9r plus 2r. So only numbers you can simplify. That means -9 plus 2 is -7. Only r you can attach because like 2 apples plus 3 apples. 5 apples it is. Not apple square or double. So just only the variable is same. Whatever the variable is same here. -4x minus 7x. -4 minus 7 is -11. So x. And next 4r. Only there is a single term with variable plus 4 minus 10 minus 6. So like this you can combine the like terms. You can simplify either addition or subtraction. You can check and do it. Next skill regarding additions and subtractions of the expressions, even fractions. So I'm giving some worksheets which you studied in grade 7 basics also. Addition and subtraction of the integers with the terms, even fractions also. Let us see some problems. I'll explain in this page one of the question. 4 by 3 n plus 2 by 3 n to the power 4 minus 1 by 2 n to the power 4 minus 4 by 3 n. When we have the bracket, you can try to simplify this. So 4 by 3n. 4 by 3n it is plus 2 by 3 n to the power 4 minus of this expression. So minus into 1 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2 n to the power 4. Again minus into minus. So plus. When you are opening the bracket before with negative sign, you should change the sign. That means minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. What we got 4 by 3 and n. Now we are supposed to simplify this. Just observe the combining terms, no like terms. Like terms are these both. 4 by 3n plus 4 by 3n. So 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 are to simplify. That is 8 by 3. So 8 by 3n. Okay, these two is 8 by 3n. Next, n to the power 4. These two terms together. That is 2 by 3 n power 4 minus 1 by 2 n to the power 4. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is simplified because variables are same. Imagine in power 4 and power 4, no? So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 LCM if you do 4 minus 3 by 6. Already know this. So 1 by 6. So plus 1 by 6. Plus 1 by 6. The variable is n to the power 4. So answer is 8 by 3n plus 1 by 6 n to the power 4. Okay. This is the simplification pattern you apply for all these problems. Okay. This skill, only one example I said, remaining all you can practice. Just simple. Only constant to simplify, attach that particular like variable. Next, once perfect with addition, subtraction of all kind of fractions, simplifications. Next, multiplication of algebraic expressions, one more skill. 3a plus 4 into 3a minus 4. So we can use algebraic expressions formulas also. If the question is like a plus b into a minus b, formula is a square minus b square. So observe here 3a plus 4 into 3a minus 4. So first term square minus second term square, because first term second term 3a 2 let us combine, no, that's to maintain the bracket whole square. Square is for 3 and a. 3 is square is 9, a square minus 4 square is 16. So if you apply the formula like this cases, you can do it. Like 4b plus 5 into 4b minus 5. So 4b whole square minus 5 square. So 16b square minus 25. This is the one of the way. And if it is not suitable for formula, like 5m minus 2 times 6m minus 1. So take this 5m, multiply this both the terms. That means complete expression. Take 5m, first term from the first expression, complete second expression you have to multiply. Next, in first expression second term minus 2, multiply it again 6m minus 1, distributive property. Okay. Just simplify now. So 5m should be multiplied with this both. 5m into 6m, 5 6 are 30, m into m is m square. 5m into minus 1. So minus 5m. Next, it's over. Now minus 2 into 6m. Numbers you multiply. Minus 12, m as it is. Minus to minus plus. So 2 it is, because 2 answer. Then you can combine the like terms. 30m square minus 5 minus 12, no, minus 17m plus 2. Okay. This way you need to practice all the problems to improve the skills. Next, one more, factorizing. So factorization of the algebraic expression, this is also important. Splitting the middle term. The concept I'll explain once again, because already studied in basics in previous class also. Once again you listen in this. X square minus 5x plus 4. X square coefficient is 1. There's no number is 1. X square coefficient and constant if you multiply, 4 we are getting. 4 you should write product of two numbers. Those two numbers if you multiply I should get 4. But same two numbers when I do addition I should get middle coefficient minus 5. So 4 times 1 is 4, but 4 plus 1 is 5. We need minus 5. So what you should do? Minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 is 4. And minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. So minus 4x minus 1x. Minus 5x I am splitting like minus 4x minus 1x. So starting x square, last term is 4 as it is. Now take from first two terms take x common, x minus 4. From next two terms minus 1 common, x minus 4, because minus to minus plus. Same should come in this. X minus 4 is a common overall. Here is x is left and there is minus 1. So these you need to practice. Factorization is very important. Need to practice. So I will show you one more problem because that's important. Let us take, okay, one of the question, fourth one. Question is n square plus 11n plus 24. N square coefficient is 1, no? There is no number. So 1 means 1 into this 24. 1 times 24 is 24 it is. According to the rule, if you multiply two numbers, 24 should get. Same numbers, so I do addition, I should get 11. Generally 24 means 2 times 12. But 2 plus 12, not 11. Next 3 times 8. Yeah, 3 into 8 is 24, 3 plus 8 is 11. So he's supposed to take only 3 and 8. So when you multiply 24, same numbers do addition because 11n I am writing like 3n plus 8n. So this is, if you combine, you will get 11n. So splitting the middle term. Now n square, last 24 is remain same. Now take the common from the first two terms. N is the common, n plus 3. Next two terms plus 8 is the common. So n plus 3 because 8n, 8 3 is a 24. You should get same in the bracket, n plus 3. Next n plus 8. Because n plus 3 is common from first expression. From this n plus 3 if I take common, n is left plus 8 is left. So n plus 3 into n plus 8. If you again simplify, you will get the same question only. So answer is n plus 3. This one is n plus 3 into n plus 8. So both the ways we need to be perfect in this chapter. That is, if they will give combined, you need to simplify. Again, if they will give expression, you have to factorize both. Okay. Along with this, one more skill is you need to substitute the values and simplify. This already studied. Just to substitute the values, h plus j minus k. Use h is equals to 1 3 by 5. So 1 3 by 5 in the place of h plus j place is 2 minus k place is 7 by 6. 2 means 2 by 1. Just simplification. 5 ones are 5 plus 3. So 8 by 5 plus 2 by 1 minus 7 by 6. This you have to simplify, right? Taking the LCM of the denominators, you can simplify because already in grade 5 and 6, simplifications of the fractions you studied now, just apply the method. Okay, I'm not telling everything here. The main thing you need to focus on factorization, simplifications, addition, subtraction with the like terms, and combining the terms and naming this. So these are all the basics. If you know thoroughly, then you'll perfect in this chapter. So get the PDF file and practice each and every skill to improve all the fundamentals or all the basic skills in algebraic expressions from this class.